next concept, that is cell, EMF and internal resistance of the cell. In this concept we will even derive the expression for the current flowing through the cell. ಇದನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು derivation ಅನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ. Okay, now let us study what is the cell. Cell is a device that is used to maintain the steady current through the circuit, is called as the cell ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? So what is a cell? Cell, a device that is used to maintain the steady current, that is used to maintain the steady current through the circuit, is called cell. ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಎಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ? Cell ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? Okay, now let us derive the expression. Okay, in that we will study EMF and internal resistance also. Okay, so let us start with the derivation. Now let us consider a positive electrode P. Okay, let us consider a positive electrode P, which having a positive, let us consider a positive electrode P which having a positive potential S2 plus V plus, positive potential of plus V plus between itself and the point A. Okay, now let us consider a positive electrode P which having the positive potential plus V plus between itself and the point near to it, that is ಯಾವುದು? A. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? Similarly negative electrode. Now consider a negative electrode. Now consider a negative electrode. ಯಾವುದು? Negative electrode ಯಾವುದು? N, which having negative potential ಯಾವುದು? minus V minus, negative potential minus V minus between itself and the point near to it, that is B. Minus V minus between itself and point B which is close to it. Okay, ಎರಡರ explanation ಅನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ರಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? EMF ಅನ್ನು ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಓಕೆ, EMF, what is meant by EMF? EMF means, ಅದರ ಅರ್ಥ ಏನು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರೋ ಮೋಟಿವ್ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರೋ ಮೋಟಿವ್ ಫೋರ್ಸ್, ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರೋಮೋಟಿವ್ ಫೋರ್ಸ್. ಹೆಸರು ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಅಂತದ, ಬಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಅ ಫೋರ್ಸ್, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಪೊಟೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಪೊಟೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತಾನೆ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಹಂಗಿತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಹೌ ವಿಲ್ ಯು ಡಿಫೈನ್ ದಿ EMF ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಸೆಲ್? EMF ಆಫ್ ದ ಸೆಲ್ ಅನ್ನು ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ? The potential difference between positive and negative electrode, positive and negative electrode of the cell is called EMF of the cell. So what is the EMF of the cell? The potential difference between positive and negative electrode of the cell is called as the EMF of the cell. ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ SI ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಏನು EMF of the cell ವೋಲ್ಟ್. ಯಾಕೆ? It is nothing but the potential difference. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ SI ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಕೂಡ ಏನು ಬರ್ತದ? ವೋಲ್ಟ್ ಅಂತಾನೆ ಬರ್ತದ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? So according to the definition of EMF of cell, the potential difference between positive and negative electrode of the cell. ಹೌದಾ? ಈಗ EMF ಅನ್ನ E ಅನ್ನುವಂತ ಅಕ್ಷರದಿಂದ ಗುರುತಿಸ್ತೀನಿ. E is equal to ಏನಂತ ಬರೆಯಬಹುದು ಹೇಳು? Potential difference between positive and negative electrode. What is the potential of the positive electrode? V plus. ಹೌದಲ್ಲ? So potential difference ಅಂತ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ minus. And potential difference of the negative electrode, that is minus V minus. ಏನಾಯ್ತು ಫೈನಲಿ? E is equal to V plus minus of minus plus V minus. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? So this is the EMF of the cell. I will say it as the equation number 1. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಈಗ? So this is about the EMF of the cell. Okay, now let us discuss the next concept, that is the internal resistance of the cell. Okay, internal resistance of the cell. Okay, discussion now ಮಾಡೋಣ. Okay, internal resistance. What is meant by the internal resistance? The effective opposition offered to the flow of current in the cell or by the electrolyte of the cell is called as the internal resistance. What is the internal resistance? The effective opposition offered to the flow of current by the electrolyte of the cell or inside the cell. That is called as the internal resistance. It is indicated by the letter R, the letter in the small r in the internal resistance ಅನ್ನ representation ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? Okay, so okay, ಈಗ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಬರೋದು. P, V plus is the potential between P and A. Okay, and minus V minus is the potential between N and B. Okay, and A and B ಒಂದು potential ಇದ್ದೇ ಇರ್ತದಲ್ಲ. Okay, overall ಆಗಿ what is the potential difference between total potential between P and N ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಿರಿ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ನೋಡಿ, therefore the total potential between P and N, P ಮತ್ತು N ನಡುವೆ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಪೊಟೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿರ್ತದೆ? That is given by V is equal to potential difference between P and A plus potential difference between A and B plus ಹೌದಲ್ಲ A and B plus potential difference between B and N. Okay, the total potential between P and N is given by potential difference between P and A plus potential difference between A and B plus potential difference between B and N. ತಿಳಿತಾ? Okay, V is equal ಏನದ ಅಂದ್ರೆ potential difference between P and A ಏನದ? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿರಲ್ಲ plus V plus. What is the potential difference between A and B? ಇದರ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಹರಿತಿರ್ತದ? I. internal resistance ಎಷ್ಟದ? R. therefore potential difference ಏನಾಯ್ತು minus I into R. Okay, next potential difference between B and N, that is plus V minus. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? Okay, finally V is equal to V plus V minus minus IR. Okay, so this will be the equation number 2. Equation number 2. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಸೈನ್ ಯಾಕೆ ಬಂತು? ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಸೈನ್ is because the current in the cell and current in the external cell are opposite in direction. Internal ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗ್ತಿರ್ತದ, electrons moves from ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ towards the positive, ಬಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟರ್ನಲ್ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಇಂದ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಕಡೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಿರ್ತದ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಸೈನ್ ಅನ್ನ ತಗೊಳ್ತೀರಿ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇದು ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಇಟ್ಬಿಡೋದು. ಈಗ ಎರಡು ಕೇಸ್ಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಈ ಡೆರಿವೇಶನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಒಂದೇನು ಕೇಸ್ 1. ಕೇಸ್ 1 ಏನು? ಇಫ್ resistance in the external circuit is infinity. ಈ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟರ್ನಲ್ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುವಂತಹ ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ಫಿನಿಟಿ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ by Ohm's law V is equal to ಏನು ಬರೀತೀರಪ್ಪ? IR. Okay, therefore I is equal to V divided by R. Therefore I is equal to ಏನಿತ್ತು? V divided by infinity. Therefore I is equal to V by infinity ಅಂದ್ರೆ 0. ಕೇಸ್ 1 ಇದೆ, ಇನ್ಫಿನಿಟಿ ಇದ್ದಾಗ. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕೇಸ್ 2. ಕೇಸ್ 2. ಓಕೆ, if R is not infinity ಅಂದ್ರೆ some finite value ಇದ್ದಾಗ, okay, then by Ohm's law we can say V is equal to IR. Okay, I is equal to V divided by R. Okay, so ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ V equal to IR ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇಡಬಹುದಲ್ಲ? So V equal to IR, equation number 3. First, second, third. Okay, now put equation 1 and equation 3 in equation 2. equation 1 ಏನದ? V plus V minus ಇಲ್ಲಿ and V ಅಂದ್ರೆ IR ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬಿದಾಗ ಏನಾಗ್ತದ? IR is equal to V plus V minus ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? E minus IR. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇದು ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬಂತು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಯ್ತು? E is equal to I R minus plus IR. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಲಿಲ್ಲ? ಸೊ ಇದು IR ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಅದು ಆ ಕಡೆ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬರ್ತಂದ್ರೆ IR is equal to E. Therefore I is common, ಉಳಿತೇನು? R plus R is equal to E. Therefore I is equal to what is the final expression? E divided by R plus R. So this is the final expression that we need. Okay, finally derivation completes. But what should be the resistance value for the maximum current to flow through the external resistor? ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಡಿವೈಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಹಿಡಿಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ R ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಏನಿರಬೇಕು? It should be 0. Okay, if R is equal to 0, then I max is equal to E divided by R0 ತುಂಬಿದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ r. ಇದು ಕೂಡ ಬಹಳ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇದೆ. ತಿಳಿತಾ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಟೋಟಲಿ 3 ಡೆಫಿನಿಷನ್ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರಿ ಅಂಡ್ ಡೆರಿವೇಶನ್ ಕಲಿತ್ರಿ. Okay, definition have kalkondri. Cell, what is a cell? A device that is used to maintain the steady current through the circuit is called as the cell ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. EMF ಅಂದ್ರೆ the potential difference between the positive and negative electrode of the cell is called as the EMF. It is not the force, it is the potential difference. SI unit of EMF is volt. Next, internal resistance. What is the internal resistance? The effective opposition offered to the flow of current inside the cell ಅಥವಾ by the cell is called as the internal resistance. Finally, the expression completes. ಬಹಳ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ derivation ಇದೆ. Okay, you should practice it and